guys, what's up? I'm giving you guys another braiding video. Don't, like I always say, don't mind the background. Disgusting. Anyways, it's not disgusting though. It's really not. It just looks nasty on camera, so.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony.
Anyways, I'm giving you guys another braiding video because I felt like when I woke up today, I felt like doing my hair. Let's go part this side of my head. And yeah. All the way down to like beginning of my thigh, because I always wanted to do like long braids like this and I was always too pussy to do it. So all right, so anyways, let's just keep it moving, guys. Ow, I'm dramatic. Anyways, so I know I said I wasn't gonna talk, but I'm not really like a perfectionist. I used to be. But when it comes to my hair, like, I started not caring so much because when I do my hair, it's to not worry about my hair. One thing I hate when I'm doing my hair is there's hair all over the floor. There's fake hair and then my hair everywhere. That irritates my soul. So now we have this part. So we're gonna do something different here. This is like, I don't really like rubber bands, but for the sake of a hairstyle, I'll do it, you know? And as long as your hair is moisturized, there's nothing wrong with it. So I have 6 rubber bands, and I have my, I don't know how you pronounce this, Miel Scalp Oil or whatever. It's the first oil that I saw, so we're just gonna use this. And, oh shit, okay, cool, great. Too much is going on right now. And I'm just gonna drop it all along them so it could not be dry and break my freaking hair. So just rub it in that. This might be one part of the videos. Leave my baby hairs out. Get your baby hairs out. So my hair is not dry. Put that on there. Now some gel around the perimeter. Just like this. I'm gonna do this shit, guys. I'm gonna tie it a little bit, like I said, because my hair's too thin for that shit. This is good. This is good. Boom. It's not tight, it's not loose. I bet you wanna me. Oh, there's oil everywhere. Okay, now the next part. That we're gonna put this one into the next part, right? And I'm gonna grab our Miracle Curls frizz taming thing. I don't use it for that. I use it as a moisturizer because it has a lot of oils. It has coconut oil, jojoba or jojoba, I really don't know. It has the rest are bad things for your hair. So there's that. And here I am putting it in my hair. Put it around the perimeter. This cold ass gel. There's a lot of product on my hair and it's not cute. It's not cute. We're also not going to do this tight either because, like I said, my hair is not equipped for that. So I'm going to just tie it like one more time. See? Like, it doesn't feel like I have rubber bands in my hair, you know? So it's a good thing. Should I do one more part or should I just put that into the braid? I think I just put that into the braid. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Definitely. I'm going to try to make this quick because my camera's dying, but basically you split this into 3. Like the little part with the, what's this called? Rubber band. You're going to braid it like normal. And you basically braid it in to your hair. Duh. Duh. Ow. Yeah, that freaking thing that I just grabbed, not a good go. I was good, I'm on, that's the way it was. That's the way it
over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
I'm back and I'm freezing. It's freezing down here. So usually people like, you know, boil water, put it in a thing, which is what I used to do, but I'm too lazy. Yeah, so I just put it in that cup and I use that same cup every time, so I don't drink out of it. So yeah, usually I'll get like a pot or something, and you know. So who's doing all that? Okay, this is hot enough because smoke is coming out. I put like a product in there. This is my first time doing it. I just wanted to see how it would come out. So I have this ready. My towel. So I just put them in there. Dip them as far as you can. Swirl them around if you'd like. I just dip as much as I can, because I mean my hair is short, so it stops like all the way up there. So I just leave it in there for a couple minutes, seconds or something. Product that I put in there. Ooh! It's okay if it drips on the floor, just clean it. Because it in fact got all over my floor. Hey guys, so it's been a couple minutes. I mean, I didn't have this tight, so I don't know what it really did. It did something. See, like I have a little bump there. I could fix that though. My braids are still wet. These are cute though.
I
Okay, the beautiful Bebas. Bebas got the waistband on.
Yeah.
Okay, Bebas. You stop.
Okay.
Put the needle on the record.